this video for site managers, let's look at how to make a post inactive. Let's start there at all posts. Now, users can choose to make their own posts inactive. They do have that option. However, sometimes shareholders will contact you and just ask you to make it inactive, or perhaps you see something that you know is an error. Perhaps someone posted a share price that is clearly a typo. Imagine maybe $440 here per share, or they listed something that you just doubt is correct, or you just are doing a bit of moderation and someone would like to have their post made inactive. It's very simple to do. You just click on those three little dots and you hit make inactive. And that post is now invisible to everybody except for you as a site manager. You could still look at it under inactive. So if you look at things under inactive, you can see the posts that were active but are no longer. You can reactivate these posts, but we don't recommend that. It's best in general to go ahead and create a fresh post, a buy or sell post from that user versus trying to make posts inactive and active. It's just not how the system is intended to work. But should you need to make a post inactive for a user, that is how you do it.